Hi guys, Jay-Ho here. Look at what I got today. I finally got my Omen 40L desktop. It's a brand new one. It just arrived. Now I'm gonna show you what is inside and how my Omen 40L it look like. By the way, this is the another PC that I built. I used exactly same specification as AMD version of Omen 25L. So this one has AMD 5600X with Radeon 6700 XT video card. Pretty robust, pretty strong. And I put another video for installing this whole system together, so please watch it. Anyways, let's open this baby. Before I open, I found very interesting about this box is this box has this plastic things. I never seen this. I don't know what that is, but probably to give more the stability when they move around these boxes from the factory. Here you go, my cutter. Probably this is the best moment, you know, the cutting the tapes with the cutter. Try to be very careful. Oops, stiff cut, stiff cut. Here you go. I think I got it. Oops. I know I'm not good at this, but I got it. I'm doing good. Okay. All right. Wow. Okay, so we have this ordinary power cable. It looks the same when compared to the 25L versions. It's about HP and product informations. And now it shows, this is the one that I didn't see when I opened 25L. So it explains a little bit more about how to pull this thing out. Oh, you need to peel this thing off. Okay, I don't know. Wow. Okay. Oops. Okay. All right, so I need 2 hands, so I'm gonna turn off my video and I'll show you later, okay? I just took things out. Oh, I see. Well, some complicated box, but it's fine. Okay, put it in here. Hello, baby. Okay, so this is a lot heavier and unlike the Omen 25L, the front panel, it gives a glass look. I know it's plastic, but it gives shiny look. You see all the reflections, and also we have this glass panel, so it gives a quite how to say, the reflection look of this thing. And from the behind, okay, and let me open this. So we have 2 buttons here. So this is what I like about the 40L. The 40L you can access by to the side panel by just pressing this button. Okay, so this one, let's take this glass panel off. Oh, this is a lot heavier than 25L, of course. So 25L, in terms of length, it was the same as this white PC that I have. So as you can see, you know how much bigger this 40L is, okay? And let me open the side panel too. Okay. Okay, so it's a lot easier to do this cable management. Now you have two hard disk bays here. But I personally don't like why they put, I don't know why they put the hard disk bay in here. You know, they could put this one like behind like this, right? So I can put 3 fan coolers here. So, and it has a, oh, it support ARGB. So Omen 25L does not support ARGB. So this one supports 3-pin ARGB, which is good. And these are the RGBs. So this system might be a lot better. I mean, the motherboard, of course, gotta be a lot better than 25L. So this one looks like the 2.5-inch hard disk bay. I think this is removable, or you can just install the hard disk. Okay. Wow. Okay. So it has plenty of rooms now, and this is the Omen cooler, but this fan looks a lot bigger. This radiator, I cannot tell whether this is 120 millimeter or a little bit bigger than that, but looks very robust. And unlike 25L, it has the heatsink, okay, and DDR4 4 RAM. Okay, and okay, so this RTX 2-fan RTX have SSD. We have one more slot for this PCIe card, Wi-Fi. This is pretty simple. And okay, so this is one thing that I don't like about this case, to be honest. So when I look at the picture, I was thinking to install the radiator here, upgrading this to be 2-fan supported radiator, you know, the 240 millimeter, right? So if I put this one up here, it will not work. So what I need to do is probably I need to lower this motherboard. So good thing is I have a space in here, right? Then once I lower this, no, I don't think I can install the 240 millimeter in here, but maybe just a fan, okay? And probably I can install in here. So it has 1, 2, 3, the 3 fan base. So let me open this front bezel first. You have a switch in here, so you click, and there's another one, and if you click together, it will just pop up. Okay. I need 2 hands. Hold on. I just lift it up, and wow. So this is another fantastic feature that I see. It has a plug in here, so you plug automatic in here, so you can control the white the rectangular stuff, which you can change the color later. I don't know how to call it, but anyways, this is cool. So okay, so case itself is a lot nicer and cooler. So wow, you know, Omen 25L did not have this. So has 2 fans. You can install 1 more fans. Okay. At the bottom you have this dust cover, which is magnetic. Pretty good. So yeah, the one thing I don't like about this is this one is too big. If they put some, they could provide some space in here. As I said, we could install this 3-fan radiator, but it says push to remove. So I guess is sliding, that you slide out and maybe you can remove this cover. Let's try. Okay. Okay. It was easy. Okay, so this is the fan mount. Not sure why they made like this, to be honest. You can remove the screw and remove this whole thing out. This one also can be removed. Yeah, but again, as I said, this is not enough space for the water cooling system. Okay. So, I mean, it's quite easy to remove all the part, but not sure what I can do after removing all of this. This case has much space, but has a lot of limitations. This part is useless. This part is too small that you cannot do anything. Okay. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 USBs in at the front, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 USB and 2 USB-C. Okay, so I just connected, and so these two are ARGB. I mean, these three are ARGB, and others are the RGB. And I found very interesting about this Omen's lighting system, which I didn't expect because it wasn't written there. So it has RGB over here. Can you see here? So there's a lighting system, so it shed the lights to the entire motherboard. So that's kind of interesting. And this fan is quite cool. Very quiet. I think it's working pretty fine. So only one thing is, I'm running nothing at the moment, but CPU temperature is already around 56. So I think when the system is idle, you should be like 40 or preferably like 35 degrees. The video card temperature was like 40, so it's fine. So I think that CPU, once I run the game or play some heavy heavy programs, I think the temperature will go all the way up to like 85 or 90. So I'm gonna test that with a few games and we'll let you know.